Mexican Store Talk, you got my left.
Store Talk, Mexican. Just confirming, we are inbound with Hellfire at this time.
Roger, we're watching from here.
And I have Steve in sight. Missiles away.
Bye bye, Miss American Pie. Good hit.
Nice.
Mexican Store Talk, Roger. The guys picked up and ran to the west side of the road. We see movement in the spot where you lit.
Copy, we're rolling it around. Inbound 30 millimeter on those individuals.
Remain slow and
Roger.
I do have Steve in sight. Yep. And I have you inside. I'm at your 6 o'clock east side of the road. No factor. Call your break.
Store Talk, Shore 11.
missed. Slow down for me.
I have you off to the right. We're currently 3.5K closing on the target.
Roger, stand by. We're currently searching. If you got eyes on, I'll break off so you can engage.
I have eyes on the building he went into. You want me to shoot the building?
Negative at this time. I'm off to the right.
Roger, I have you in sight. You're at my 2:30, 3 o'clock now.
Okay, keep it short, brother.
Ohio.
I got you inside, brother. Let's just keep looking for just a second.